Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. I've just a couple of amendments to address some mistakes at the end of grade 3A part 2 video where we're just looking at demi-semi-quaver rests. And so if you turn with me to page 6, we're going to be looking at exercise 3. So this is grade 3 video A part 2. This is exercise 3 on page 6 of your grade 3 workbook. And if we just move down the page to F, this occurs, the mistake occurs at 8 minutes and 5 seconds into the original video, the A part 2 video. Now here, I'd written the quarter twice, and so I've missed a rest here. Because if we just add this bar up, we've got a 1 beat here, 2/8 make a quarter, and then I've written the quarter again where actually we need this quarter of a beat rest, so we need a semi-quaver rest or a 16th note rest to complete that missing quarter, and then we've got the quaver rest which gives us the half. So notice we've got a half plus a quarter makes 3 quarters, plus another quarter makes a whole beat, and then there's our second beat. So I do apologise about that. So you would need a quaver, then a semi-quaver rest, or a 8th note followed by a 16th note rest. That is the official correct answer. It is possible to put a dotted quaver or a dotted 8th note rest. This isn't strictly the correct way to go about it, although some modern composers do that. However, I suggest you just write the individual rests out. That's the official approach to that answer. So I do apologise for missing that. And then if you just move down to the bottom of that exercise, so we're going to look at H. And so here, I think I'd misread or misremembered the time signature. There should be 3 beats in a bar. So we know that 8 demi-semi-quavers, or 8/32, 32nd notes are a beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7/8 equals a quarter. Those 2/8 notes make a quarter of a beat rest to complete that rest. So there's beat 1. There's another beat. However, we need another beat to make this bar 3/4, and so we'd also need a crotchet beat there. Make sure that it's the crotchet beat first and then the semi-quaver beat next. We can't have that the other way round, because this semi-quaver rest or 16th note rest completes this beat here, so that belongs to this group, and this is a beat all on its own. So I do apologise. I think I just presumed there were 2 beats in a bar and missed that full complete beats rest there. So I do apologise for those mistakes there, but that now addresses those questions completely. If it is that you're working through these videos, you'll find lots of information on my website. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information leaflets that you can download in US letter or A4. You can find links to all of my YouTube video tutorials, and you can also access information about the books that I have available. So please do visit sharonbill.com and you'll find it all there. If you can give me a like, that'd be fab, and subscribe to my channel to keep updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.